How to send money from one bank account to another bank account region Zelle. I'm going to show you how you can easily send money from one bank account to another bank account region Zelle. Zelle is a great way to send, request, and receive money with people you know and trust who have a US-based checking or savings account. It's fast and the money is typically available in minutes. First, log in to the Regions mobile app or Regions online banking and choose Send Money with Zelle. Zelle is free through the Regions mobile app and Regions online banking. Now start using Zelle by linking your eligible Regions account and verifying your US mobile phone number and email address. First, log into the mobile app or Regions online banking. In Payments, select Send Money with Zelle, then Send. Next, select your recipient or simply enter the recipient's email address or US mobile number. Then, enter the amount, select your eligible funding account, and select Review. After review, select Send. Once done, your recipient will be notified by email or text message.